All right, it's Friday, May 31st. I'm buying some Coinbase 235 puts here at 861. This is on the 15-minute chart that bar number 3 here is kind of starting lower with the red bar below the second bar low, getting ready to take out the lows of the day, hopefully. That first bar low, that'll confirm the downward structure on the day. On the daily chart here, we had a little bit of a higher high shooter bar from yesterday. Red bar stayed below that, midpoint of that bar today. Gapped up a little bit, but then after 2 bars, we're kind of consolidating lower to take out these stops down here. You can see that's the next target. With 1 day to go in the week, it looks like we're ending up with a, shooter bar that's going to form that could lead to a little lower prices into the gap here for next week. So I like the downward bias overall as we come to the end of the week. I like the opening price action that gapped up, pausing for 2 bars and now starting red. So we'll see if we can get the follow through. You can see kind of these stops down here that would be the first target to take out. Red bar from yesterday, shooter bar that should test those lows, and that could kind of be a chain reaction to get a weekly chart that has a 2 up reversal red bar by the end of the day, which could lead to lower prices into next week to start moving down. It could be getting higher highs here and eventual lower lows back to the 200 area. So even though we had the big green bar last week, it looks like this week we couldn't follow through. We're trying to end up with a little bit of a reversal bar, and on the daily chart here after yesterday's red action going down to the lows, it looks like the opening price action wants to kind of get back down there and kind of target and test those areas. So we'll see if we get that follow through below bar number 1. That'll confirm structure on the day and get to some of those targets that are in play, hopefully, with a bigger picture view that maybe higher highs here and eventual lower lows down here in the bigger picture. But we'll see how today ends. So anyway, Coinbase puts, just bought them on bar number 3.